Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term spaz. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, spaz is a slang term for losing control due to excitement or clumsiness. People use it when someone acts erratically or overly enthusiastic. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Spaz first showed up in American English in the 1980s. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among young people and online communities. Now let's check out how to use spaz in a sentence. Correct example 1. She totally spazzed out when she saw her favorite band backstage. Correct example 2. I almost spazzed when they announced free pizza in the cafeteria. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said spaz at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using spaz right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Spaz means a slang term for losing control due to excitement or clumsiness. It started in American English in the 1980s, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with spaz in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.